Sometimes you hit, you have to hit. You have only one chance because another will come. And rearrange it, you don't have the time. See, the entry is one way, but many ways, right? The throwing, you have throws, you have what you can imagine you do. Remember, when understand this, more or less, you have different backgrounds, okay? And you, an interpreter and a translator, whatever you do, all right? One thing is that you don't have the time, you cannot think, all right? When you think, he blink. That's true. That's the reason why, all right? But it's the same entry what you might ever have, okay? You come, you can make back sweep, you can make a sweep, whatever, okay? You can make putar kepala, whatever. No? I leave it no what is ever to your imagination. That is the question, how to make that flow. Because who hesitates is a loser, you know. Even in the real estate business, is the word when to sell, when to buy, and all that kind of thing. When to strike, and the same thing. I give you a sample. Okay, here. That. You want to sweep? Bang. That. See, you don't go like this. You go here, you know. Sometimes you hit, and sometimes you hit. You have to hit because you have only one chance, because another will come. And rearrange it, you don't have the time. Right? And that is the reason why you better make sure that anything executed, not lousy. And that's the reason why when you work out, please work out the best of your ability. No matter if you are tired of something, work the best of your ability. One at will paid off when the real McCoy comes. Right? And even what you do in what kind of art, do it for yourself. Don't compete in egos. No. Do it for yourself that you can do it efficient enough. When that you have to look efficient, just well executed, and besides, don't do a lousy job. Why? Because you cannot go to the drawing board and one the other will knock the daylight of you. Understand the truth? Well, I'm talking street language, okay? Right? Not Hollywood. Hollywood can make crazy things, okay? And guy in Hollywood, his neck can on the floor, but a samurai or something, you know, and then he still talk. Thank you that you let me die this way. See, that is Hollywood. That the people, but in real way is different, okay? I gonna slow up that you can see what the procedure may well be, okay? You have learned in the way in the past, in the days, of course, it's impossible to explain everything, okay? You have did is depak, did is simple, okay? You work with that to have the mobility, okay? In that same procedure, what you have to understand, when you hit, you see there, that, right? Now, what you want me to do? Sapu dalam, sapu luar, call it. You do it from here.
Sapu dalam.
Sapu dalam. Was it? Right? Of course, man. Boom, and boom. Okay. I don't ask that. Okay? Sapu luar, right? Tap. Now, what is it? I'm not, that is no use to give a real crank because it's only my show, okay? Because Monday he has to go to Oregon and he cannot feel pain. Right? See, there, you see, right? Tap. See all of that? Then he crank. That is the reason why penetration is the most important thing. Alright? The reason why You don't do this. Your mobility is a state. You want to climb this. This is faster as this. Remember, any time of the day, this is faster as this. And some jokers, he say when you have a knife, okay, oh yeah, then you pick up the blade, commando. Where is his fingers? For menudo? This is true. The reason why is this way, okay? One, right? You see here? What is it? That part, right? Because you don't like the hard stuff, impressive. You see why? Because you don't need, at the moment when you get older, you're not spring chicken anymore, you know, and even you have a steak. No, I can tell you something. You know, I cannot hand it to her. You know, even Mrs. Innocento says expecting, right? She still can drop somebody, I cannot understand. I say, oh, that's dangerous, man. Dangerous, man. You see, don't do that, you know, because she's almost done, okay? It's just Jesus, man. You're dangerous. That's true. I saw her, matter of fact, when she talked, Paula, you cannot even strike a stick, you know, because when you can slip, what then, you know? She's hard-headed, but you know, because even he said, oh, I like it, Yama Paula, you like it, but the baby not like, no wonder the baby he kicked all the time. All the time, sit here, you see, that, right? Because he can hit with the head or whatever, you see that, right? Now here, you can move beside dalam, beside luar, you see, right? It's that. What is it? Outside, right? What you learn in curriculum, probably, you see, that is curriculum. You see? That is a different. The other is combative, the other is curriculum. You have to go through a curriculum before you come to combative faith. Okay? When you reach the end, you start a new beginning. Okay? When you look to the big one, you find nothing. You look to the small one, you find the big one. Okay? That is always what it is. Okay? Alright? See? That. Right? See here? Alright? You want to see a throw? A throw Soviet. See, I do it slow, you know, because it's no good, it's only to show, not you know, show, right? And even so, you can even get a meeting, okay? That is meeting, right? Alright, let's see what it is, alright? No, there is a throw without using your back. Only what you call it body physics. Alright? The same thing, right? Right? See what I do? Fine. See? See how close I come? You don't go this way, right? Then I got a whistle, right? Okay, throw me. I think that, but you put to bend your leg, like, right? You take here.
What do we do?
Yeah.
I'll try.
Throw me. You know why? To look at here, right? Right? Alright, but this you can hold my here, right? I whistling cell. Right? Right? Here. Playing guitar, right? Right or not? Not. Let's step over here. That is to look phony, eh? Huh? Feel it by yourself? Do it slow. I do it slow. Okay? You don't only the physics part of that. Because it is no need to drop here the work that is only the physics part of it. Okay? The pause come here. Right? Right?
Earthquake.
Sure? Is it true?
It's true.
6.7.
Okay? Be gonna go slow and be careful for your partner, okay? Remember, Monday you have to work and the jobs are not so easy. Same entry, right? See here? See here? Here you play guitar, right? You lock here. Not two can move, only one. The upper body only swing, okay? That is not even done with speed. You see here? Do like that, right? Right? Yes? You stay here, right? Now your upper body you move. See it? Alright? This is here. Back, back. See here? Thank you. You want to see in slow motion? Right? Right? You see here? He locked. He don't move. Then only move. Upper body. He goes here. Down. Alright? We do it? Stop, stop. I come here. They come here. Right? Right or not? Right?
You mean you want him to do it again?
Right? Slow motion. Right? Dirk, that is the reason why not here. Then you really, even this here, you can, of course, get loose. But when before this really occurred, when he pulled you back, all right? But that is the moment when it occurred, you feel the pressure, and you escape, okay? Because you have found the devastating locks that you say hello to it, yeah? See here? There, right? Yeah, right? Right or not? But here, even so, you can make anything what you want, right? See what way? One, duck, duck, back, right? Set, right? Okay, you have to do it slow with cement, you know. There's not too much fun to be foul boy. That's really be careful. That's true. You see, because he can retaliate on the moment to show, you know, he helped me, and that's the reason you guys have to understand that I cannot kaboom, kaboom, that does not work. All right? One more time, right? 1, 2. Here, right? That. You see here? Right? You see what I'm going to do? Here, from here, excuse me, from here, there, right? Right? All right? Will you do it?